Microsoft Application Virtualization provides the ability to deliver virtual applications to users on demand. The components required to create and stream virtual applications come in the box at no additional cost. In this screencast, we'll discuss how to create a virtual application dependency using AppV's Dynamic Suite Composition or DSC capability. Dynamic Suite Composition provides the ability to link virtual applications together. This is configured using the Dynamic Suite Composition tool in the AppV Resource Kit. When the application is launched by the user, the AppV client determines there are associated dependencies at runtime to ensure the required functionality is available. Dependencies can be configured as mandatory or optional. In this screencast, I'll demonstrate how to create a dependency in Word 2007. This dependency will link an ODF plugin with Word 2007. Let's start by launching Word 2007 on our user desktop. Word is now launched. Let's go to the Office icon in the upper left corner, and this will open the main menu. Here we can see there is no ODF plugin in our list. Now I'm going to switch to the server and launch the DSC tool. This does not need to be installed on the server, but I've done this because all of my applications are stored in the content directory, and it makes it easier to point to it and create the dependencies. You could point to the location remotely as well. The first thing I need to do is set the package root as C content. Next, I'm going to select my primary package. This is the application that I need to link the dependency to, so that when the application loads, the dependency will be available for use within it. Now, I need to select my secondary package. Here, I'm going to choose an ODF add-in located at C, Content, ODF add-in.1, ODF add-in.1. In this example, I've already sequenced the ODF add-in, so I can select it directly. If you were going to do this from scratch, you would need to sequence both the primary and secondary packages as virtual applications. You'll also have to assign the appropriate permissions to allow the user to have access to both the primary and secondary application. I'll go ahead and apply, and this will update the OSD file for the application selected. Once complete, I'll close the DSC tool. The great thing about the DSC tool is that it reduces the risk of mistyping and the complexity associated with editing XML in the OSD file directly. You can easily create multiple dependencies for a single package. Because dependencies are automatically added to the OSD file, no mistyping is possible. This is very quick, very powerful, and reduces the chance of human error. Let's switch back to the user's desktop and we'll see how this dependency looks from the user perspective. First, I'll open the Application Virtualization Client and refresh the configuration from the server. This will update the OSD file with the changes made by the DSC tool. Normally, this would happen in the background on a timed interval, and the user would not need to perform this task. Next, I'll go ahead and launch Word 2007. If I select the Office icon and see the main list, there is an item for the ODF add-in. The key thing to take away here is that the add-in appeared automatically the next time the user launched the application. The user did not have to wait for the application to install and did not have to do anything to make it appear. The Dynamic Suite Composition tool is a simple tool that enables you to quickly and easily create dependencies for your virtual applications. You need to allow users to access both the primary and dependent application. Once permissions are granted, the user will automatically receive the plugin the next time the application is launched. There is no waiting for installation, and no additional activity is required by the user.